In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company details on Xero, including information such as your company name, address, logo, and email. This process is straightforward but important, ensuring that your business information is up to date and accurately represented across all your interactions within Xero. Let's get started on how you can efficiently make these updates. First, take your cursor and head to the top left of your Xero dashboard. Here, you should see your company name prominently displayed. Give that a click to open up a menu of options related to your company's settings and preferences. This is your entry point to accessing and modifying your company details. Once you've clicked on your company name, you will find yourself with several selections. The one you're interested in for our purposes today is aptly named Settings. Give Settings a click, and you will enter into the area where you can manage and fine-tune aspects of how your organization's information is structured. With the Settings menu open, you should look for the option labeled Organization Details. Clicking on this option will bring you into a comprehensive editing area where you can modify all the essential information about your company. Here, Xero provides a streamlined interface where all your company details are displayed and ready for you to update. Now, let's walk through what kind of changes you can make. For visual branding, you might want to start by adding or updating your company logo. Having a professional and current logo can really enhance how your invoices and communications are perceived, so ensure that your logo file is handy and uploaded here. Next, if your company has undergone any branding transformations or rebranding initiatives, this is the place to change your company's official name. Simply type in the new name you wish to use going forward. Updating the address is similarly intuitive. If your company has moved locations, or if there have been any changes to the address format, you can revise this information here to keep it precise and reflective of your current headquarters or main office. And don't forget, keeping your contact information current is vital for effective communication. Update any company-wide email addresses here to ensure that clients and partners can easily reach you. Once you've finished making these updates, take a moment to review all the entries you've changed to confirm their accuracy. This prevents any potential issues that could arise from incorrect information being disseminated or displayed on any future correspondence. And that's all there is to it. You now have your company details in Xero updated and verified, helping you maintain a professional presence for all your business dealings. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. If you have any further questions or need additional guidance, feel free to explore more resources or reach out for support.